Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us for another exciting episode of RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road. This is your excursion extraordinaire and guide, Dr. A. Today we're going to be doing a 2022 Creators Roundup. It says, think you know the facts and the trends from 2022? Play the game to unlock your score and see how you compare to other creators across the globe. Let us try this for RoadTripja and see what is happening. Let's click the start button. It says, how much do you watch YouTube? Well, we watch YouTube like we are drinking water. Now, when do you post your videos? We post our videos burning the midnight oil whenever we get a chance to, not a specific time. The most popular playback speed is 1x. What's the next most popular? Well, if 1x is next popular, people usually go for 1.5, not 1.25. That is marginally significant. So let's go to 1.5 and see what the answer says. How many hours of YouTube does the world watch daily? Well, if we watch YouTube almost 24/7 and other persons who have work, they also watch YouTube, listen music, we're going to go with about maybe 1 billion plus. It says, how long have you been on YouTube? We have OGs in the business. We have been on YouTube for over 5 years. What's your favorite length of content? Well, our favorite length is a classical content. Short and sweet is okay, but not our favorite. Now, what percentage of people watch a short video then watch a longer version? Well, we're going to be saying that the conversion rate before was about 29%. YouTube long form content were separated and then they added the enable features. We're going to go with 59% and see what it says. It says that we are correct. It says how many long form videos views the short snippet generate in 1 month this year. We're going with 100 because it's quite a lot. Let's see. Yes, we're correct. Next question, please. It says, what's your favorite content? So they're saying lo-fi music mixes. Well, that there plays a lot on YouTube. ASMR videos, that's videos with just sound and people speaking in a soft voice in the microphone and making funny noises with their tongue. Those are ASMR videos. Lo-fi is like the sound that you study to and you relax to. And getting outdoors and indoors, well, our favorite type of content is actually the outdoors and indoors. ASMR sounds a bit provocative, so we stay away from that. The lo-fi music seems somewhat repetitive at times, so we stay away from that as well. Outdoor, seeing what is happening in other parts of the world, that is our favorite thing to do. And the next question. It says, what's your favorite way to connect with your audience? Comments. Yes, we do try to answer some comments. We do little live streams. Community tab, we haven't been using that in 2022, but we probably do that in 2023. Off platform, well, we don't do much communication off platform except for our patrons, and we're truly grateful for those who have been supporting the work that we have been doing. So the off platform communication is the most viable at this time. We do communicate with our comments. We respond when it is appropriate. Once we're not on shift, once we have time on our hands, we respond. And the community tab, let's see if we can start using that in 2023. So we're going to go with the comments. It says, how many creators use the fan funding feature super thanks? This is a tricky one. We have it on our page. However, people in Jamaica and some areas of the world are not able to send us the super chat and the super thanks based on the restrictions. It says, how many creators use the fan funding feature super thanks? Well, I would suggest, or I would speculate that maybe over 500,000 creators, because that is another way of generating support for the channel and the content. So let's go with that, and that is correct. It says, how many views does a short get a day? 10 billion. I'll think a little bit more. 20 billion. I think a little bit more. 30 billion is more around the ballpark. 40 billion. I don't think that we have reached 40 billion as yet, so we're going to stick it at 30 billion. I know that YouTube is trying to get to overtake TikTok, and also to get up and on Instagram Reels. So let's go with 30 billion. They're not there yet, but I know that they'll be there in a short time. Beautiful, we're correct. Next question. The question says to us, how big is Minecraft reality? How many total views have Minecraft related videos received on YouTube? I think that Minecraft has one of the most viewed contents. Minecraft is basically a game where little kids and some adults as well play, but it's like a family, it's like a brick game, and where you build things, you destroy things. So I am gonna say it's more than 50 million. It's more than 500 million. It's more than 2 billion. I think it's about 1 trillion, because the amount of Minecraft videos that I have come across on this space, we have Minecraft the long form video, we have Minecraft the shorts, we have Minecraft the commentary. That's about 1 trillion. Let's see what the answer is saying to us. It is saying that indeed we are is scary appealing. What percentage of Gen Z do you think are drawn to online horror? Well, this generation, the Gen Z generation, is a little bit different than what our poor parents were like. I would suggest, or I would speculate, that the answer for this is not 78. They are not as crazy as the world presents them to be, at least not yet, in terms of liking scary stuff. But they may about 50%. 50% are really in a dire place, and they enjoy the scary delights. Let's go with 53% and see what it's saying. That is correct. Okay, it says, let's see our results. Your result is a trendsetter. You don't just know the trend, you set them. Here to see how you rank against your fellow creators. Well, we know we're certified trendsetters. Thank you for staying with us as we went through this little quiz from the YouTube creator portal. It's a hope that you would have learned something from the experience, and it was indeed a pleasure to have served you in 2022. So we see you in 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us for this another exciting episode of RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road. This is your excursion extraordinaire and guide, Dr. A. See you in 2023.